definitely.
Anything that goes wrong.
Yes.
Hi, Joe.
We recently purchased a house that had outdated wiring throughout. It was flagged in our house purchase survey as being possibly non-compliant, so we knew it was quite a big, important part of the project to sort. From our initial contact with Joe, we knew we were in the right hands as he was super reactive. He was quick to answer the phone and he answered all of our questions about the house rewire process. Thanks to Joe, before we knew it, our house was brought back up to standard and we were provided with the certificate immediately.
Buying a house that was outdated and in need of a full electrical rewire is always a slight concern. You often hear about the horrific stories of old wiring causing electrical fires. So we were also concerned about how big of a job and disruptive it would be to the house. But after chatting with Joe, he put our minds at ease and we trusted him to help us bring the house up to a legal standard.
I think he gave a very good first impression when he arrived. He sort of seemed to know what he was talking about. He was very upfront and professional and was very honest with us as well. And he was also very keen to sort of get started as well. There wasn't like a backlog of months to go until we could get started. He was like, yeah, I can start with you fairly soon. And that was convenient for us with our situation.
It was literally, he just turned up and he was just so great straight away that we didn't even bother.
Yeah.
And also I think because it was all a bit of a stress at the time, it was just get someone in that seems reliable and nice.
I remember after his first visit, I remember thinking I was keen to leave him a review. Oh, would 100% recommend Joe.
Yes.
Absolutely. He's.
We already have.
Yes, that's true. We have. Yeah, would definitely recommend him. Definitely.
Yeah. Anything that goes wrong.
Yes.
Hi, Joe.